If you want to go back on Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, there's few ways how you can do that. First of all, if you open, for example, the control center, you can click on the crown control button once to go back to your main watch face. And if you click on the crown control button to open apps menu, you can also go back to the main watch face by clicking on the crown control button. If you are opening some applications, for example, let's go into the App Store, and now you want to go back from this one, you can also swipe from the left side if you search for something. Take a look. Now I'm gonna open some category recommendation, and if I'm gonna swipe like so, if I'm gonna go for the application, there we go. Now I'm able to swipe to the left side, or I can simply click on this icon in the left upper corner and click X to go back. Now if I want to go back to my main watch face, I will have to click on it here, but also we can double click on the crown control button and pick a specific application that you are using, so we can quickly switch between them just like this. And that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.